Hello, I'm Brian Esser, and this is How to Automotive. And today I wanted to talk to you about a very serious topic, which is the coronavirus and how it's going to affect the general public and automotive technicians out there. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is the general public and the restrictions on flying, trains, planes, all that stuff. What that means for you guys is you need to rely on your vehicles more and more now, more than ever. So that means you need to keep up on the maintenance and make sure that your vehicles are in tip-top shape. That way you can rely on your vehicle, get to the destinations you need to go to, and still live your life. So having your car in tip-top shape is going to allow you to live your life and just do the day-to-day things that you need to do and rely on that car and not have that worry and just have peace of mind. So what that means for us automotive technicians is that means we are going to be the front line of keeping America going. And that means maintenance, keeping those cars in tip-top shape and just doing our part to make sure that the country keeps moving and keeps going forward. So we have a great opportunity to really help out, step up, and make sure that we do our part and do our part with helping the country keep going forward, and do our part with reducing the spread of this virus by us not traveling on airplanes, planes, and cruise ships and that type of things. So we are in a unique opportunity or spot where we as automotive technicians can really step up and help the public out, and that's going to be huge for us. So we need to be on our A game and make sure we're doing all the maintenance, make sure we thoroughly inspect those vehicles out there and take care of any issues that may come up that may leave a customer stranded, and really get ahead of those problems and jump on that now so that they can rely on those cars to get to the store, to get to those family vacations and trips and stuff that people want and deserve to do. Just because there's a virus out there, doesn't mean that life ends. So we need to keep going. So I wanted to make this video real quick just to help encourage people to step up and take care of each other. So as automotive technicians, we can take care of you, the general public, by keeping your car safe and reliable out there on the roads. And you as the general public can rely on us as automotive technicians to take care of you. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. And I wish everybody the best of luck out there with this virus going on. Thank you guys for watching.